Hi everybody, Sherry here. I wanted to talk today about watercolor, learn to watercolor books that are out. Now I only have 2 of them. There are so many. I'm talking about cost effective, what you get for your money. And so the first one it's by Let's Get Artsy LLC. And it's this little book. It gives you 12 pictures to watercolor. Very basic. I mean, here's theirs, and then they have the one you paint. Very basic pictures and instructions. The instructions are very basic. They do give you a little bit of information about, what you're painting and everything, like the sailboat. Okay, and then that's the one I did. So these are cute, and like I said, they have lots of themes. They have farm animals, different scenes, autumn scenes, all kinds of different, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or fall, whatever. They have a lot of them. You can go on their Let's Get Artsy website or look them up on social media. The thing about this is you get 12 pictures for $27, and it took me a while to get this book, okay? And then I ordered, just recently, Learn to Watercolor by Lacey Walker of Rebel Unicorn Crafts. Now she's really good. She's one of my favorites. But her instruction book is 2 parts. This part is the instruction part. She gives you a list of the paints that you will need for the entire 20 pictures to paint. And there's also colored pictures in here. I mean, it's a really neat book. There are QR codes in the pages that you can go and scan the QR code and get more instruction on. And then this is all watercolor paper. There are 20 prints, if I didn't say that already. 20. Okay. The nice thing about this is when you get through, you can go back and print these out again. And you've only paid for it once and start over. Now this one, I paid $21.32 off of Amazon for it, and I got it in a couple of days. You can get it on the Kindle for $11.99, or you can get a spiral bound like this for $29.85. And so for practical purposes and more detailed instruction for people like me, beginners, I find that this is a better deal. But if you're just looking for something to doodle and the price isn't an issue, these are cute. You can go look them up. And that's all I have today. All right, have a good day. Bye.